Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to review a palette from the Viseart official, and this is a brand from Paris which recently got launched in India. Today I'm reviewing a palette from them which is called the Dark Matte Eyeshadow palette. I've also created this look using this palette, and to see how I created this, please keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and now let's get started. I also have another review and tutorial video using the Theory palettes from this brand. You can check out the details on that video in the description box down below. So in this video, I will first tell you about the product, then we will go on to the swatches, then I will show you how I created this look, followed by my opinions of the eyeshadows in the palette. So this is how the palette looks up close. It has 12 eyeshadows and all of them are dark and matte. So this palette retails for about 5,800 rupees. But the good news is currently they're running a discount of 30% on all their products, and you can purchase this palette for 4,060 rupees. I just wish it had a mirror, but then I don't mind the plastic packaging and the transparent packaging where you can see your shades. So it also says in the description sticker that it can be used with water to correct eyebrows. I'm quite curious how that would work out. If you want me to try that out, do let me know in the comment section down below. So now let me jump into the swatches before we get to the eye look. Now to start with my eyes, I'm going to use the lightest shade from the palette, and with my Sephora Pro Blending brush in number 27, I'm going to apply it as my transition shade. Once I've applied the eyeshadow, I'm going to just blend it out in circular motions towards my eyebrows. I'm just blending out the harsh lines very lightly. I've also applied a little bit foundation on my eyelids just to act as a primer. I'm adding a little bit more eyeshadow just to intensify the color. And again, I'm blending out the harsh lines. Then I'm taking this orange shade over here and applying it in my crease. I'm starting with the outer corners and then just going inward towards my crease. And then I'm lightly blending it out in swiping and circular motions. Using the same brush, I'm taking this brown shade over here and applying it in the outer corners of my crease. The brush that I'm using is the Morphe E28. And then I'm taking it towards my crease and then just blending it out. I'm also not going too inward towards my inner corners, just almost half of the lid. I'm taking the orange shade again and just blending out any harsh lines and increasing the intensity of the orange shade in my crease. Then going in with the transition color, I'm again blending out any harsh lines that I see. Then taking my Zoeva 237 brush and taking this shade over here, I'm applying it in the centers of my lid. Going back to my Morphe brush, without taking any more product, I'm just blending out any harsh lines. Using the darkest color from the palette and my Morphe M508 brush, I'm going to apply the color closest to my upper lash line, and I'm also creating a small wing. So for my lower lashes, I'm going to take the same brown shade that I applied in the outer corners of my eye and then just blend it out with the orange shade. So to finish off my look, I've applied a highlighter from the same brand in the shade Bloom in the high points of my cheek, the inner corners of my eye and my brow arch. I've also applied a pair of falsies from MAC Cosmetics and finished off with my lipper from Forever 21 in the shade Bleached. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you liked it. Now let me discuss about the blendability and the pigmentation of the eyeshadows. So as you saw, there was a little bit fallout under my eyes. However, there was a little bit extra fallout on this side of my eye as compared to the other side. I don't know why that happened. Maybe it's because of the application or the way I applied or the amount of eyeshadow I took, but that is not too much of a concern for me. So now let's jump into the blendability of the product. These eyeshadows are super amazing to blend. I did not have to work hard on blending them, guys. These eyeshadows are extremely pigmented and you can see the color payoff was intense and super amazing. I love the fact that they are buildable because they are so dark. You can build the product and the amount of eyeshadow as per your look, and they did not end up getting patchy when I blended two eyeshadows together. Sometimes the problem with matte eyeshadows is that when you're blending the first eyeshadow with the second eyeshadow, then they end up getting patchy and the first eyeshadow gets removed because of the application of the second one. I hope you understand what I mean. But this eyeshadow palette was amazing, guys. There was no patchiness, no removal of the previous eyeshadow that I applied. I highly recommend this product, guys. I'm also going to try out the other matte eyeshadow palettes from this brand. So in my opinion, the best way to team up this palette is with another matte palette from the same brand. Do let me know if you want me to create some more looks using the dark matte eyeshadow palette. So guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. For those who are new here, I post videos every week and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.